How to hide and unhide chats on Facebook Messenger. Now, let's say you want to hide a specific chat on your Messenger. You don't want to see it, or you just want to hide it so no one can see it. All you have to do is to long press that specific chat right there and click on archive right there. Now, it disappeared from the general view of Facebook Messenger. We can also do that to a group chat right there. Long press it and click on archive right there. However, if we want to unhide that specific chat or we want to see that chat again, all we have to do is to tap on these three lines right here and locate archive on the selection, which is right here. Now, in order for us to unhide that specific chat, all we have to do is to long press it and click on archive right here. We can also do that to a group chat right there. And if we go back to our chats, we are able to see those chats that we have hidden earlier. So that's how to hide and unhide chats on Facebook Messenger. Hope you help.